Welcome to our latest woodworking project, the expanded bed. In this video, we'll walk you through why building your own custom bed frame is an incredibly rewarding and practical experience. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, making your own bed is not only a fun challenge but also a great investment in your home and well-being. What is an expanded bed? An expanded bed is a custom-built bed frame designed to offer more space, comfort, and functionality compared to standard bed sizes. It's perfect for those who need extra storage, want a larger sleeping surface, or simply desire a personalized piece of furniture. This project takes your woodworking skills to the next level by teaching you how to craft a solid, sturdy frame that fits your exact needs and design preferences. The top benefits of building your own woodcrafted, expanded bed customization to your space and style. One of the biggest advantages of building your own bed is the complete freedom to design it exactly how you want. Choose the size, shape, and style that best complements your bedroom. Whether you prefer a rustic look with reclaimed wood or a sleek modern design, the possibilities are endless. No more settling for a generic bed from a store. Cost-effective solution. Building your own bed can be significantly more affordable than purchasing a pre-made bed frame, especially when you choose materials carefully. Instead of paying for a designer bed, you'll only need to invest in quality wood, hardware, and finishing materials. Plus, this one-time investment provides you with a lasting piece of furniture. When you build your own bed, you get to choose the materials, ensuring you're using high-quality wood and finishes that will last. Whether you opt for durable hardwoods like oak, maple, or walnut, or go for more budget-friendly options like pine or plywood, you can make sure the quality of your bed frame exceeds what you'd find at a retail store. Unlike many mass-produced bed frames, a handcrafted wooden bed can be far more durable. You can use strong, sturdy joinery techniques like dovetail joints or pocket holes to create a bed that will support years of use. With the right finish, your bed will resist scratches, stains, and even moisture, ensuring longevity. There's a unique satisfaction in building your own furniture. The process of transforming raw wood into a functional piece of art can be incredibly fulfilling. Knowing that you created your own bed, from the design stage to the final finishing touches, adds immense personal value to your project. By using reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood, you can build a bed that's eco-friendly. Many pre-made furniture pieces are mass-produced using materials that aren't environmentally responsible. When you craft your own bed, you can ensure that you are choosing wood from sustainable sources and minimizing waste. One of the most practical benefits of an expanded bed is the ability to design it for ultimate comfort. You can create a platform bed with extra storage beneath, or make a large, sturdy frame to support a heavier mattress. You have control over the slat spacing, headboard height, and overall design, allowing you to optimize the bed for your specific comfort preferences. Taking on this project will help you grow your woodworking skills. From cutting and sanding to assembling and finishing, you'll learn valuable techniques that will apply to future projects. It's a fantastic opportunity to improve your craft while building something functional and beautiful. No two handcrafted bed frames are exactly the same, which gives you the chance to create something completely unique. Whether you add a personal engraving, custom headboard, or unusual design elements, your bed will reflect your own creativity and personality. The benefits of building a wood-crafted expanded bed are undeniable. Not only will you save money and gain valuable woodworking skills, but you'll also create a personalized, high-quality piece of furniture that lasts a lifetime. Plus, the satisfaction of sleeping in a bed that you built with your own hands is truly priceless. Tools and materials: wood, hardwood plywood or reclaimed wood, saw meter saw, circular saw or table saw, drill for pilot holes and screws, screws and wood glue to secure the frame, sanding tools, sandpaper or electric sander, finish, stain varnish or paint. For more woodworking tutorials, tips, and DIY projects, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. Follow us on social media to see sneak peeks of upcoming projects and connect with the woodworking community. Thank you for watching, and happy woodworking.